Hello everyone, welcome back to Literary Criticism. Today we are going to study about the Roman poet Horace, who lived from 65 BC to 8 BC. In the last class, I had shared to you a video introducing Horace and his works. You can see here the picture of Horace. Let us move to the details. Horace was a Roman poet. He lived in the Augustan age, which is named after the Roman Emperor Octavian Augustus. Some of the greatest Roman artists lived during this era. Virgil, Horace, Tibullus, Propertius, Ovid, Livy, and others. This age was known as an age of poetry. The popularity of oratory and prose declined in this age. This is a sculpture of Augustus, Emperor Octavian Augustus. Horace made great contribution to poetry and criticism. His great works include two books of satires and two books of odes and three books of epistles, a type of poetry written in the form of letters. The third book of epistle is generally called Ars Poetica, meaning art of poetry. Ars Poetica is a critical work. It is a letter in verse offering advice on literary matters to a father and two sons of the name of Piso. So this is the structure in which this particular book Ars Poetica is written. It is, as I told you before, it is an example of an epistle, a type of poetry written in the form of letters. It is written in the form of a letter addressed to a father and two sons. Their identity is not known. It is written in the form of a letter advising them on literary matters. The title Ars Poetica was given to the book by Quintilian, another great Roman poet. Three divisions are there in the book. One is poesis, that is subject matter, poema, form, and poeta, the poet. These are the three subdivisions of this work. The book is very short, only of length of 16 pages. Its main topics of discussion are poetry, poetic style, and drama. During the era of Horace, there were two schools of literature. One, Old Latin school, two, Alexandrian school. Old Latin school was the native Roman of ancient times. Alexandrian school originated with the Greek scholars of Alexandria. So what you must understand is that there were two schools of poetry that existed at that time. One school was Old Latin school, which was the native school of Roman literature, ancient times. Then Alexandrian school originated with the Greek scholars of Alexandria. That's why it is called Alexandrian. During the era of Horace, Alexandrian school was more popular. This school had great influence on Roman poetry. During this era, Virgil and Horace joined together, tried to revive the ancient Greek tradition of poetry. Horace tried this ancient Greek tradition in writing and poetry and criticism alike. So, his criticism is greatly influenced by the critical works of Aristotle. So, today we are stopping here. In the next class, we will study about Horace's observations on poetry. Thank you.